Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 40 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with WLFI, followed by TAO, ICP, NEAR, AAVE, BGB, OKB, and then we end with meme coin number 40. Let's get straight into WLFI. So here we are for WLFI. I think WLFI might be in a bullish trend reversal. Why would I say that? Okay, the reason is because we have already taken all these highs. We haven't closed above it yet. But I suspect that there is a potential bullish continuation in the making. Could we still drop, a little bit lower to maybe here first before the review? Yeah, sure, of course. But I think that WLFI could be doing something like this. Right. So in any case, if we were to go long, we will still have to wait for the retrace to come. And we're kind of in a retrace, but yeah, I mean, if we were to zoom into the smaller time frames, this looks good to me though, to be honest. But I would prefer it to drop a little bit lower, past 13 cents into 12 cents. I would prefer that to happen, but again, we'll have to wait and see how it goes. If we get something significant here, then hey, this could be a long trade. TAO against USD. Here we are for TAO. So BitTensor is still in a very, very nice squeeze. You see this? Very nice squeeze here. We're still expecting BitTensor to hit both of the targets that we have at around 2000. We are 351. Yes, we are kind of prolonging the accumulation. Would have been amazing if we could just, climb up. But we're marking around the skinny pink line. So there is still accumulation happening for TAO. And I think that if and when we take out these highs, it is going to be fantastic. It's going to be fireworks. ICP against USD. So for ICP, yes, sir. Sudden rally, strong rally towards the upside. We're in kind of a correction right now, which is great. The fear is that we do something like this, and we just keep forming new lows. That's the fear that we have. Could we bounce off from it? Sure, of course. But I think that we're kind of in a correction and we need more information first. We don't know whether this is going to be a bullish continuation, if we're going to be staying above the skinny pink line or not. NEAR against USD. Here we are for NEAR. Okay, sudden strong push towards the upside. We're right under the skinny pink line. And I think it's only a matter of time before we break back up. This whole thing will be something like an inverse head and shoulders. A very big one before the break. But yeah, we'd love to see consolidation around this area though. But it's probably going to take several months if it were to happen. I hope it does though. I hope it does. We'll see how it goes. AAVE against USD. Here we are for AAVE. AAVE is, yeah, we still have a target here, 144. There was a head and shoulders over here. Head and shoulders are bearish reversal chart patterns. And we broke under the skinny pink line. Are we still buyers bearish? Yes. We're under the skinny pink line. We're buyers bearish for AAVE. We're hopeful that AAVE could do something like this. A very nice ABCDE before a break. That would be fantastic though. But still, we anticipate 144 to be hit. BitGet is down. We were aware of BitGet forming a mountain range over here. Very clear support line. We broke down and we're expecting 280 to still be hit. We're already under the skinny pink line. So the trend is already bearish for BitGet and we're expecting 280 to be hit. So more downside to come for BitGet. OKB against USD. Okay, so OKB had a banana run. Pew! And then we're kind of in a correction. How much lower are we going to go? Not too sure. Does this look like a bullish reversal? No, it looks like a bearish continuation. I don't think this is the low. I suspect there's another low coming on. But as long as we're above the skinny pink line, I am fairly confident that OKB is going to form a bullish continuation chart pattern over here and continue higher. Meme core against USD has already hit target number 1. We had a target over here at $3 way back at on the 21st of October. We've hit it. $3. That's it. Ta-da! We have another target here though at 460. So more upside to be expected for meme core. We're gonna be taking things one step at a time. Right now it's green. Ta-da! $3 is hit. We're now at 245. I think this is a consolidation in the making, right? I suspect even if we were to clear these lows, this is still gonna be a fantastic consolidation as potentially a breakout. Yeah, could be in the making. So the only question is, how long are we going to be going sideways? How much longer? Yeah, so we're not too sure. So that's why it's very important to take profits when we see a target, we have to take profit. We have to take profits because you don't know when we might be, a few more months of consolidation, right? So you don't be stuck in a few more months. You want to have your capital freely flowing so they can go in and out of trades. All right, boys and girls. Hope you guys have a great day ahead of you. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.